This beautiful home is located in Haile Plantation, Caitlin Lane. As you enter Haile Plantation, you'll see Chiles Elementary on your left, and this home is just a short distance down the street. The owners of this home really wanted to encompass a great floor plan for their 3 kids and their grandparents. That's why they included a separate in-law suite with an entrance. This floor plan has an open kitchen, a dining room, and it overlooks a great pool area. It's screened in, and there's a green space behind the home, so nobody would ever be able to build behind.
When we moved here in the mid-90s, it was very important to find a place that had very good schools, had space for our big family, 3 kids and 2 big labs. And when we came to Haile Plantation and looking at everything that was offered to you, you have the running trails, the biking trails, you have tennis, you have swimming, you have the country club, you have pools. This area has everything you could possibly need. It's just a very blissful place to live.